soon as he was gone, up popped Doggy.
You didn't press it.
Put him up.
I did.
Wake up, everyone! He shouted. All the toys came to life. The next toy to move was Panda.
Panda. Get him. Yeah.
He jumped off his shelf, looking very excited. It's my birthday today, he chuckled.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, we lost here again.
It's on my soul.
Don't worry.
It's all right. Don't carry on.
I got it up.
Pretend it never happened.
That's all right, doesn't matter. Panda wondered if anyone else had remembered. What day is it today? Panda asked Soldier.
Dido!
It's Monday,
Today.
shouted Soldier.
That's a very good song.
Left,
I
right,
made it.
Good
left,
girl.
right. So Panda went to see Doll in her house.
I'm too busy making a cake.
Oh.
Teddy couldn't. Oh, not Teddy. Giraffe
Dexter.
couldn't speak to Panda either.
Dexter, come on. Come to Dad.
Giraffe.
I'm trying to take video. But,
There.
can I just stand up?
Sorry, he gasped. I have to blow up all these balloons.
I'll stand at the back. Let's finish
Do
this.
you know what day it is, Monkey? Asked Panda.
His foot is falling off.
What's falling off?
Monkey's foot.
Uh-oh. I've got
A
it.
busy day, screeched Monkey. I must hang these streamers all around the shop.
I'm trying to take a video.
Dog.
Can you answer my question? I forgot. No, you've got left.
Put this up.
Can you answer my question? Asked Tiger.
Can you make him come away? Because I'm trying to take a video.
Oh, Panda asked Tiger. Tiger,
Where's the tiger?
please don't disturb me. You can see I'm reading my book. By now, Panda was feeling very
You
unhappy.
forgot this. And
We
car.
haven't got that far yet. By now, Panda was feeling very unhappy. Maybe Car has remembered. Look out! Yelled Car, speeding away. I have to fetch some hats. That only left Stripey.
No, it's not stripy. It's buttons.
Buttons. That only left Buttons, who is hiding behind the building blocks. Sorry, Panda. I can't hear you, he cried. I'm dancing to the beautiful music. Poor Panda. He jumped into a toy box and burst into tears.
Oh.
No one has remembered my birthday, he sobbed.
Keeps looking for the party.
Suddenly,
You've got it
Panda...
the wrong way.
You're going to turn round, Panda?
Turn the panda round.
Yep, that's it.
Panda heard lots of noise and giggling behind a curtain. He pulled it aside. Surprise!
Oh, look, it's
Yelled all
everyone.
the toys. The toys had not forgotten Panda's birthday after all. They've been getting ready for your surprise party, they giggled. Soon the party was in full swing. Happy birthday, dear Panda.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody sang. This is my best birthday ever, said Panda.
That was
The
brilliant.
end.
Well done.